My video tutorial will provide you with instructions to help you remove the ransomware called TheAnonymousGlobal. TheAnonymousGlobal is a ransomware that may essentially damage the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files, but very soon after the ransomware's attack, there is no chance to open the files anymore. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this particular ransomware. So as I said, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files easily. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So it encrypts files and it then reveals this pop-up window, which is the ransom note, and it also changes the desktop background, which says your system hacked by Killnet. The ransomware then eventually tells the victims to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. Paying the ransom is the total waste of funds. So you should not pay the ransom and you should not waste your funds in this case. What I recommend you to do in terms of removing this ransomware is the following. I recommend you to scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may actually get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and once the software gets installed, start investigating your computer to detect and remove all other threats, including this ransomware, from your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.